Okay, so I keep doing this and it keeps being more than 33 minutes. So this isn't helping. So most memorable concert experience was like my favorite band for a really long time, and it was their farewell tour. So it was a venue that I had never been to before. I'd heard of it tons of times. Plenty of bands play there, and it's an old theater. And so I was there with my brother and a few of our close friends, and so we get there during the first headliner and we end up being situated. We want to try and get close to the stage, and we ended up right next to the giant wall of speakers, like huge wall of speakers, and it's so loud, like disorientingly loud. And so we're watching the headliners and I start to feel crappier and crappier, and I just don't feel good. And so the headliner comes on and I'm like kind of excited but kind of feeling terrible, and there's this couple next to us that's like really awkward, and it's a short guy and a really tall girl, and he's still trying to be like the big spoon and make out with her the whole time. It was gross. So they come on, and so I feel terrible, and I lean over to my brother, apparently, I don't remember this. I lean over and tell him I feel like I'm about to pass out, and I start leaning on him. So an entire song goes by and I fall over and I pass out. And when I pass out, I seize, so I look like I'm having a seizure. So I wake up and like a huge circle, like the band's still playing, but like a huge circle is looking at me like, oh my gosh, my brother's screaming my name. So I get up and I like disorientedly like walk away and go to the lobby, and this woman starts yelling at me because I sit down on some stairs, and my brother explains what's going on, and she accuses me of being drunk and like on drugs, which makes sense. I'm like, no, I'm not, like I don't know, I'm not on drugs, I'm not drunk. And so then she starts accusing me of being anorexic. Honey, no. Like, my brother was like, no, seriously, she eats. But she kept accusing me. So my brother goes upstairs while I sit there and sip on some juice to try and feel better, and I'm like, guys, I need to go to the bathroom. And they're like, okay, just use this one right here. So it's the band's bathroom, which, woohoo, the band's bathroom sounds like really stupid. But not only is it the band's bathroom, it's the like place where the band writes like their notes and like signs their name, and all this graffiti is all over, and it just was super cool and awesome. And as I was walking out of the bathroom, the entire band like walks by me, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. And then my brother comes to find me, and he ends up talking to the drummer, and it was super great, and then we laughed about it the whole rest of the night. And that's my most memorable concert experience. Hope this helped. Good luck with your project. Bye!